Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to re-fluff a coat. This will be a full tutorial to make your coat fluffy again. So if you have a coat and it's lost its fluffiness, this is the video for you if you want to re-fluff it. I'm going to go over 3 ways that you can re-fluff your coat. That includes the actual coat within itself. If it's a puffy type of jacket, that includes the actual coat. It also includes the hood within those 3 things. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, the first method is if you have a dryer. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to wash the coat. And when you wash the coat, everything's going to get compressed, but it also get clean. Now when you are done washing the coat, you want to make sure that it's safe to put in the dryer on low heat. So check the coat's directions. Make sure you're actually allowed to put it in the dryer without ruining it. That's the first thing. If you are allowed to put it in the dryer, indeed, sorry, it looks pretty dark on the camera. I'm just wondering, I always thought there was a pot light over here as well, but I guess not. So I'm going to step into the light over here, make it a little bit easier. So anyways, when you know that you are, make it a little bit easier to see me, that is. When you know you can put this in the dryer, you're going to put it in the dryer on low heat, okay? And what you're going to put in with it are a few tennis balls. What the tennis balls are going to do is they're going to go ahead and they're going to go like this to the jacket, which will actually re-fluff it, okay? Over the time that it's in the dryer. I can literally feel this jacket getting a little bit more fluffy just right now, okay? Similar to how you would fluff a pillow, it's going to do that with the jacket. If you don't want to use tennis balls, you can actually purchase things called, I don't know what the official name is, but there are different brands that offer dryer balls. When you get dryer balls, they are balls that are meant to go in the dryer, which will once again fluff it up. They just kind of do what your hands would be doing and they fluff it up, okay? So that's the first method. Make sure you can wash it in the washing machine, and also make sure you can put it in the dryer as well. And whatever it does recommend, I recommend that you go the lowest heat possible. You don't want to dry a jacket on high heat. You always want to dry it on low heat because it is considered somewhat of a delicate clothing item. So I don't want you, you definitely don't want to ruin your jacket. So make sure you check out if you can put it in the washer and the dryer first, and then go ahead and dry it out if you want to. Sorry about that, I should have had some water before I made this video. The second method is if your hood gets like this. So you can see right here, I washed this jacket a while ago, and I didn't dry it properly, so the hood got all sort of compressed down like that. Now what you want to do is get a brush. Now if you have a pet brush will work better. I'm using one of my daughter's brushes, like their hair brushes. It's obviously not for me, so they have their hair brushes, and I just went and grabbed one right now. Everybody's asleep already, basically, for the most part, so I just went and grabbed one to use for the video. What you want to do is take that brush and just brush it. Look, already you can see that right there, that material is getting nice and fluffy again. You can see it's much more fluffy. So right here, it's all compressed, right? Just brush it back and forth. It'll fluff it up again. Look, you can already see it's already starting to get more fluffy. And with enough brushing, it's going to brush it so that it is super fluffy. It'll fluff it up again, okay? Trust me, so many people have made this mistake. They put the jacket in the wash, they forget to remove the hood, if it even has a removable hood, and it loses its fluffiness. Already you can see, look at this. It's already fluffing up. It will take, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes of doing this, probably to do the whole hood and get it super fluffy again. You will have to do it for a while, but look at that. It's already fluffy again, okay? So easy to do. That's method number 2. And method number 3 is if you don't have a dryer or you don't want to use a dryer. You can go ahead and wash your jacket, and you want to make sure that you remove as much of the water as possible. So whether that's using the like a higher spin speed on your actual washing machine, or whether that's wringing out the water whenever you're done, right? When you're done, you're going to hang it up to dry. I recommend that you hang it on a coat hanger so that it's like nice and opened up. Okay, that'll give you the best results. Instead of like hanging it on a drying rack where it's going to be compressed, hang it on a coat hanger where it's nice and open like that. Okay. Then what you want to do is every half an hour, maybe every 15 minutes to half an hour, you want to go and you want to just go like this to the jacket to fluff it out, okay? To puff it out, just like that. Just go around the jacket like this to puff it out. That's it, okay? And you want to do that maybe every 15 minutes to half an hour for like the first couple hours. And then once the first couple of hours have gone by, you can just do it like every 2 hours or something until the jacket is completely dry. Most jackets will probably take, depending on how much water you get out, probably take around 12 to 18 hours to dry. So we're talking about like, every 50 minutes to half an hour for the first few hours. And then once that's passed, you know, then the majority of it will be mostly dry. You can just switch to like once every 2 hours, just kind of giving it an extra fluff. That will truly, hopefully re-fluff your jacket. You know, over time, you know, we spend good money on our jackets, and over time they lose their fluffiness, and a lot of people will just discard of them or get a new jacket. The truth is that you can re-fluff it, whether it's the hood that you're dealing with, which already, like I said, just in that short period of time, it already looks a lot better. It's far from done, but it already looks a lot better. You know, whether it's the hood or the jacket puffiness, you know, you want to go ahead and try these methods. And, you know, not all jackets are meant to be fluffy. So the sleeves on this jacket are not meant to be fluffy, but the chest area is. So you got to know your jacket as well, what it's sort of made of, and whether it's supposed to be fluffy or not. So that's it. If you want to re-fluff your jacket, this is the video for you. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.